Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for September 17th, 2024. Like I said, the most important thing about this puzzle Durov is the order with which you place the tiles, the headshot in the tiles. And if you miss the order, you miss the 5,000 major points for today. And it takes about 24 hours for the next play to come up. So I will get right into it. Okay, let's go. The first one for today would be number 10. And the second one would be number 4. The third one would be number 1. And the last one would be 16. So like I said, if you place number 15 before number 1 or number 4 before number 10, you missed it. So the most important thing is following the order. Number 10, number 4, number 1, and number 16. So let's check if it worked. So we got the 5,000 major points for the major puzzle Durov for September 17th, 2024. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Again, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up and turn off the notification bell so that when I make these videos, you'll be the first to be notified when I upload the videos. Thank you for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Bye.